That's May, and I got a couple more Austrian coaches, red coaches, so I can run 2 Austrian trains, 4 coaches each, matching coaches. I really like that. And here comes my little cereal grain train. Looks pretty good. Got 2 sets of 3 of those Herferers and then an Italian grain car. And then this little steamer is pulling 2 new beer cars and then a 1994 Orca and then a chlorine car. I got those off of eBay, off a collection that they're selling. Yes, you want to say hello? And then under here, I had somebody ask me to show the bottom from inside the train set. So I'll get underneath here and show you what it looks like underneath. There's the passenger. There's the grain train you just saw going down the helix. And this is the problem I had with my last set, that I didn't make the helix tall enough or wide enough, so I made it big and wide this time so that I could get into the tracks and work on them. There's a little steamer up there just going on the 2nd level. And this is coming around the back here. So that's kind of like a little look in the bottom of the set. See if I can turn fast enough. This is kind of crazy. There you see the 2 inside the mountain at once. Kind of cool. Not really in focus. That's a little view under the set. This is the Architect case. Got a lot of Architect. But it's the view of this. I haven't done anything to the train set. Been kind of lazy lately. The Ski Championships is a really nice engine, Roco. And the Wagner ones, I think this is one of my favorite engines. The BR1 is probably my favorite steam engine, but that's probably my favorite electric. Here we got the diesel going through on the mountain. I like that. Looks cool. I'm not sure where the little steamer went. Oh, here he comes. Get a good look at this. There's a guy with his dog and he's holding a beer in his hand. I really like that one. And then the Orca is cool because I come from Washington State and we have Orcas in the Puget Sound. You take the ferry and they'll chase the ferries around or follow them. There's a little. That Keller beer one, there's like a oak, giant Coke like keg and it has like almost a face in it. It's kind of cool looking. Here comes the 2 at once here. It's cool. You see the tails coming out. I'm gonna wrap it up. I gotta go to work. I just gotta call for a job, which is a blessing. This was my goal, to have 4 trains running at the same time. Looks good. There's always a little bit of action somewhere on the set, you can see. good look at these cars. Here's like the Orca Your car. I'm not exactly sure what that's celebrating, but it's kind of a colorful car. And you kind of use your imagination, see kind of a face in that car, in that keg. And then this one's cool because it's got like a dog and a guy holding the beer up. I just thought it was kind of a cool car. Anyways, thanks for watching the trains.